Welcome to Miss Monts TV. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and watch my other videos. In today's video, I will show you voltage, current, and resistance and their relationship using Ohm's law. Voltage, current, and resistance. There are readings that are not exact due to fluctuations in external factors. In that case, we will read and accept the closest value. Good day! Today we will make an experiment and I will show you the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. Now we will measure the current passing through these resistors. So, we will give a constant voltage for each resistor. Measure the current using this multimeter. So let's start with the first resistor. So in the first resistor we get let's get the 0.20 milliampere. The second one is 0.1 milliampere. For the third resistor, for the third resistor, we'll get the average 104 milliampere. For the fourth resistor, so we have 11.5 microampere. These are the values we get for current. Using Ohm's law, we will compute the resistance of resistor 1 and resistor 2. This time we compute for the resistance of resistors 3 and 4. In this experiment, we will use one resistor. This is 27 kilo ohm. And we will give different voltage. And we will find the current reading from the ammeter. So let's start with, for this experiment, we will take voltage as 3 volts, 4 volts, 6 volts, and 8 volts at 27 kilo ohm resistance. The current is 0.1 milliampere. For 4 volts, it is 0.16 milliampere. For 6 volts, the current reading is 0.22 milliampere. And for 8 volts, that is 0.29 milliampere. Based on the reading, we get the following values for the current. Let's use Ohm's law to get the current and compare it to our data. Using Ohm's law, we get the current in resistor 1 and the current in resistor 2. This time we have the current in resistor 3 and the current in resistor 4. This is the comparison of the current using our multi-tester and using Ohm's law. Let's now read the resistance using color code. Let's now get the value of the resistance using the color band printed in the resistor. This first resistor, the first color is brown. It is assigned number 1. This is green, 5. And the third color is our multiplier. So we will write times 10 raised to 3. Because this is orange. So the first resistance is 15 kilo ohm. The next one, here, the first band is red. This is number 2. Second band is violet, 7. And the third line is our multiplier, which is orange. Times 10 raised to 3. So this is 27 kilo ohm. The third one is white. That is number 9. And this line is brown, 1. And if we can see, there is a gold line here. The multiplier of gold is -1. So times 10, -1 ohm. Or simply 9.1 ohm. And this one, the first line is red, number 2. The second line is violet, which is 7. And if you notice, there is a third line, which is yellow, that is times 10 raised to 4 ohm. Or simply, 27 times 10 raised to 4, that will become 27 or 270 kilo ohm. Now we will check the value of our resistor using a multimeter. So our first, based on the color band, that is 15 kilo ohm. So let's see in the multimeter. Okay, so from the multimeter, that is 14.89 kilo ohm, which is almost the same as 15 kilo ohm. So from our multimeter, that is 4.89 kilo ohm. So almost the same. The second one, we get 27 kilo ohm. Let's try in the multimeter. Okay, let's wait. Now, if you can see, there's a small difference, that is 28.91 kilo ohm. Almost the same. Because sometimes, it's fluctuating. And then, the third one, we get 9.1 ohm. So from our multimeter, that is 9.2 ohm. So almost the same. 9.1 ohm. Changed. So this one is the same. And the fourth one, we'll check. This should be there. So this one is 270.8 or 0.9 kilo ohm. Almost the same, 270.9 kilo ohm. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned in my video today. If you like my video, please don't forget to like and share.